We are here in All 27. It's Wednesday, EMO 2019 on the Mazak stand. Now, we're looking at a complete solution behind us, automated door. They're making large shafts. Now, what I'm going to focus on in this review is diamond burnishing. Now, what is diamond burnishing? Well, effectively, it's producing a perfect surface finish on these components, and you're also tolerancing the components with this process. It also has many other benefits, such as case hardening the part and getting better longevity out of the part. If you weren't burnishing this component, you would have to use a different operation, a grinding operation, which will be more cost, a different operation, a different machine tool. So we've done technical corners on this process, diamond burnishing. Cogsdill are the people that are supplying the tools for this process, so go on to our channel to find out more.